Hello friends, you are welcome to my video tutorials this evening. In today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to different methods of uploading videos on your newly created channel. There are two or more ways you can always upload videos to your channel so that you're not going to be limited by one. A lot of us, once you meet a problem on one of those methods, you are confused. You don't know what else to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you, and that will help you so much so that at any point in time, you know what to do. This is the Chima, the Educator Video channel. We'll do training here, we'll educate. So if you are new to what we are doing here, please subscribe to this channel. Now let's go on. The first one is to go to that channel, your particular channel, where you want to upload video. Now you can see here from what I'm having here, this is a channel, my English Master channel. It's newly created and it's actually for this purpose. Now what am I going to do? Watch. If you look at the buttons down here, look at this down button here, see home, short, and so many of them. The last one is you. You are going to see that last button, which is you. Click on it. Click on that button. Okay, once you click on it, you are going to find yourself in a place like this. Now, click on View Channel. You are seeing this. Before now, your interface of your YouTube channel is not like this on mobile. But these are new, reviews by YouTube. That's exactly how it is. And if you don't know it, if you follow the previous videos, you may get lost. So you click on that View Channel, and now look at it. When you click on it, you're going to see this. If it's a channel where you've never created a single video, you are definitely going to see everywhere empty. Create content on your device because nothing is here at all. So what do? We'll click on create. Now when you click on create, there are many options. You are seeing create a short, upload a video, go live, create a post. For those who are starting new, you are not qualified to create a post, you are not qualified to go live. You can only create short or upload a video. If you try this other two, it won't work because you don't have anything yet on your channel. So I'm going to click on upload a video because that's what I want to do. This is one of the methods of uploading videos to your channel. So I click on upload a video. It's going to take me to my system where I possibly have these videos. Now I'm going to check to see where my videos are. Let me check my gallery on wherever I feel that this video, you know where your video is. So you're going to go there to check your video. Okay, definitely it's supposed to be here. If you know the folder where you have your video, just as I'm trying to search out right away, I'm going to get to my folder where I have this video. Okay, the video have been here. I just missed it. That's the video you are seeing here. This particular video. That's what I've been looking for. It's already there. It's supposed to be there. As long as I save it in my gallery. So I click on it. That's the video.
Welcome to our English class today.
Now, that's the video. What do I do next?
We'll be looking at
I'm going to click on that next there.
And have in English language.
I won't leave it this way. I'm going to click on next.
Briefly tell you how to use.
Immediately I click on next, I'm going to find myself exactly here. Now at this point is where I will now type my video title. Very important. You cannot do without video title. And the title you give to your video matters. If you leave that place empty, the system may write, YouTube may write for you, write the date of today's video, maybe simply write video, write date, and that's not title. You go to description and write some things. So that's exactly this one part. Now you go to add playlist. If you think that it should be under a playlist, you put it there, and now every other thing you want to touch here and there on this video, you do that. Once you are done that, you click on next. But before we go into this, let me still take you back to the other way of, still uploading this video. Now let's go back. We assume we are not recording this. We are not putting it. So that's it. We are not there. Let's go back to upload this video. Just watch. I will now go to where I saved this video. Let me go back. And that way to upload your videos. I did this video with Benemy app. If I have produced this video with Mobizen, I'll go to Mobizen. If I produce it with Screencast-O-Matic, I'll go to Screencast-O-Matic. If I produce it with S Recorder, I'll go to S Recorder. If I produce this video possibly with, let's say, whatever, or it's already saved in my gallery, I can still go to my gallery. Now, as I am already here on my Benemy, I click on Movies. See somewhere here, Movies. Click on it. That's what you have saved is. Immediately I get there, I see this video. Now, I look at this sharing icon. I'm going to click on it. Immediately I click on it, the system starts showing me all the apps in my phone I can share these videos on. And one of those apps is my YouTube app. Since I have YouTube app here, that's why if you don't have YouTube app here, you're not going to see it. If you don't have YouTube app on your phone, you won't see it. So I have a YouTube app and I want to share on YouTube, so I click on YouTube. Just watch. Instantly. That's the place we saw ourselves before. Are you following now? That's how cool, how wonderful it is. So in this case, I will still type my title. The use of has and have in English language. That's the title of my video. And then I write description. This description should be so lengthy, but I don't want to bother you with that for now, because I'll still prepare a video that, guys, I'm going to show you a video that guys on how to fill up this place that will make it possible for the YouTube board to help you get your video promoted and seen by those who are searching for this information. So I wouldn't bother filling it up so much. How to use has and have in English language. Assuming this is my description, I move over. I have no playlist for now, and I can't create from here. So I leave it. At this moment, what next do I do? Watch. If I have a thumbnail is a cover image. I've already prepared for this video now. I'll click here and upload the thumbnail automatically. But I can still do that later. So let's move on. I now click on next. Is it made for kids? Now, for those of us who are upcoming YouTubers, there are some videos you prepare is for kids. Yes, you're right, it's for kids. But mind you, if your target is to make money online, remember, there are protection for children. So anytime you say your video is made for kids, there are certain ads that will not run on it. That means YouTube will minimize the ads that run on that video. So those who really want to make money, even if the video is actually made for kids, they will always choose not made for kids, because they want every ad to run. They want to make money. They don't want any limitation. So I'm giving you an idea now. But if you think for now your interest is not for money and this video is made for children, click on it's made for kid. But be sure YouTube will limit the ad by the time you start making money. So once I'm done that, I click on upload video. Now watch how it goes. It's uploading, no, it's not yet done. You are seeing 0%, 5 minutes remaining. Just watch. Because it's very important you follow through. Now at this point, once your video has done downloading, you're going to see this. It will write this video is ready to be watched. Now there's something I want to say here. Anytime you are uploading video to your YouTube, make sure your internet is very steady. Yes, because if it's not steady, in the course of downloading processing, it may stop. And once it stops and tell you can no longer go, you are going to start, nothing like refreshing, you are going to start that process of uploading again. So make sure you have internet on it's a very strong one, so that when you are uploading, it won't stop on the way. At this point, I have written, the video is now ready to be watched. So my video is ready. At this point, I can click on it even to open it. Look at it. This is my video.
Welcome to our English class.
Are you seeing it?
Today,
English Master.
in today's class, we'll be looking at
This is
the
what
use
people
of
will watch
has
now.
and
Now,
have.
on my own,
English
watch this.
language.
Be the first person to
So
like
pay
your
attention
video.
as
This is
we'll
the like
briefly
button.
tell you
And it's like your
how
video.
to
So
use
others, when
these
others
particular
join,
words
they can like. And let me show you also
English
at this point at the same time. If you go to a video and want to, and you see the video on and say like my video, this is what to click.
Number one,
You click on this, that's liking. You click here to share. If you
has
click here, you're liking. That means you say this video is not okay, and all that. So I'm going to like my video at least.
Yes.
So this is exactly, if I ask you to visit my channel now, this video, this is what you are going to do. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you also see subscribe button here. I'm not seeing it here because it's my channel. I cannot be subscribing to it for now. But if you want to subscribe, you can see it here, or you can also click on my main channel's name, and you will also see subscribe here and subscribe on it. You can now see that I have one video on my channel. If I click on videos, I have one on it. If I have multiple videos, all of them will line up here. So this is exactly how to upload videos on your YouTube channel in 2 different ways. If you follow this video correctly, you get exactly what I've just taught now. And I'm going to encourage you, if you are watching this, you are visiting our channel for the first time, or you have been visiting over time and you never thought about being part of what we're doing here, please do it just right now. Like this video and don't stop there. Subscribe to this channel, the Chima the Educative Video Channel. We're going to have a full-on video on this, especially on how to work on your video description, which will help your video to be open to so many viewers. Because if you don't do it right, you're going to have serious problem. And also how to attach that thumbnail I talked about. I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.